So Pada, when this house is done, are you going to sell your house and buy it?
Shit, bro.
Yeah.
Move in, bro. You want a flat, bro?
Yeah, yeah. Is that my bedroom or yours?
I'll have this one, bro. You have the other one.
It's got brown here. Kind of hit my mirror on the way in, but that's fine. Are we all ready, Rich?
Yeah, mate, fucking. But after putting up my first video and fucking everyone coming on from your channel, you putting me up, I'm like, oh my god, there's a lot of pressure to film now. To get some shots again.
Yeah. So today's jib. We're going to start with the outside walls over here by the block. So this place was in such a bad condition that Rich just ripped out all the plasterboard that was here. If you've seen his video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Sometimes that's just easier to start again effectively. So we've got all new plasterboard and we're going to start lining these walls. So these walls are higher than usual. They are 2.6 to the wood there that we're going to stop at, and the sheets are wider than usual, 1350. So there's a full one and a ripped one to make the total. We're going horizontal as well.
Oh, we're rolling it.
Hey, we're finished, bro. Come on in, man.
Hello, bro.
Come on in. Morning, bro.
$3.90? Yeah, cheaper than yeah, it's all good. No more.
Alright, waterproofing that window opening, and then we'll chuck it back in at the end of the day. Alright there, Rich?
This is not the easiest window to paint.
You're living life on the edge. So the jib we're using is 13mm thick, and one edge is tapered and one edge isn't. You have a tapered edge on jib to plaster over the joint. At the bottom we're not going to have a joint, obviously, it's going to be skirting. And at the top is similar. So that's the plasterboard going all the way up behind there. So we're going to butt up to there and then add a timber bead later to finish off the walls. Look, do you know what this should be?
Yeah, right. Behind the jam.
Yep. Cool. I'm in there. That's got a good fit for me, bro.
Oh, who cut that?
Beautiful.
Who cut that?
That's the big sheets done. Those guys that dropped them off this morning forgot the 6 meter sheets, which are meant to come as well. So they're not coming till tomorrow. Smoker time.
Yay! The window's free. Where you guys go?
Smoker.
Walking that way, Brian, just winging it, eh? Fine. Pretty much.
You coming or are you going to hold the fort?
Probably should hold the fort, eh?
Local cafe has tool belts on the wall here. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, bruh.
You're kidding. Oh, no. Got it.
Your house now, bro.
Bathroom.
So tile and slate underlay to go down.
Yep.
So the shower's going. Oh, shower tray. Here we go. We'll put the tile slate underlay down first, and then this will go on top.
All right. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Wow. Bathroom floor down. You happy?
Very happy. Yeah, it's good.
Good. Guess I'll see you guys soon.
See you soon, chap.
Enjoy the Donburi. Yeah, I just made this little cellar this morning. A little bit of lime. Not the most exciting, but hey, keep me going, right? Oh, it's actually getting pretty cold. As soon as all this plasterboard goes on, it'll really start looking like an apartment again. Those walls that we lined this morning, they are partition walls, they're not external walls. That's why there's no insulation there. It's a solid block wall, and on the other side is another apartment. Good to go? Good to go. So this is a wardrobe, and in that wardrobe it has a door and a window. And that door goes outside, and obviously the window does as well. And the reason for that is you can't, without getting a building consent, you can't change the windows and doors on the outside. So instead of taking it out, we are boarding the door shut, and the window will stay like this. So when you open your wardrobe door, there'll be glorious sunlight in there. Just putting on the last packers now of this window. And guess what? The weather is clearing up. Blue sky. Rich is having a window inside his bathroom, so he can look at the bedroom. Kind of weird, but you know, whatever.
Good morning. Here's the window there.
Yeah, definitely.
It should be one of those mirrors where you can see on from the other side.
Yeah. Alright, this of course is not a window. This is going to be a inset mirror.
Makes you wonder.
The plasterboard is green because it's a bathroom plasterboard. Aqualine it's called. It's a bit denser and it's the paper's a bit more durable. And this is made of tin, metal.
Oh, there is a right way around and that's it, so that's good. Sweet!
Happy with that?
Look at that. That's gonna, I mean instantly that'll make this bathroom feel bigger when you walk in here.
But by the time the tiles are on, it'll just be the door that sticks out. Almost flush. There we go. And that's just in the line. Put the jib across there. Day over. Good day.
It was alright. Got a few things done, eh?
Yeah.
Ticked a few boxes.
Got some jib on the wall.
That's exciting. Jib on the wall's exciting.
That's a step forward, right?
Yeah. Especially those walls, they're the ugliest walls.
And then jib there and everywhere else. Wow. That's been another exciting episode of Brown Carpentry. See you guys in the next one.